Do 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 do. Well, look like it's hurricane season today. Let's see what's going to happen. A minute later. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know, bro. There's like a hurricane coming to our way. So I don't know is it gonna be strong or not. 2001, bro, it's gonna be safe, I promise. By the way, I'm about to go home. Because it's starting to rain. So, goodbye. Okay, see you later. Stay safe. Man, I'm not even gonna watch the news. I'm going straight to bed. Later, as 2001, go to bed. Enjoy, watch the news on TV at his house. Shh. Well, trying to go to bed, but first, I can just watch TV. Boop. Breaking news. My name. Welcome to the Wayland News on Fox Channel Siren News. My name is Tornado Siren Madness Vortex Stuff. And that is Wayland 4000. He's asleep right now. So today we are looking at there's a category 3 hurricane is coming to our town, Silent Town. And it's coming at 1:20 a.m. So y'all stay safe right now. And blah 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 blah. At 12:49 a.m. Oh my God, it's very windy. I have to warn everybody right now. Huh? What is that sound? Why do I hear sound go off? Oh my God, is the hurricane's here? I'm just gonna back up to the bathroom. Stay away all the windows right now. Part 2 is coming out soon in July the 14th. Goodbye.